juror is unable to complete their duties, we would have to have one of you folks step in. But I would ask juror number 1, because you were released from deliberating, did you keep the admonition? Juror number 1. And because the issue is not going to be guilt or innocence, would you be able to accept your colleague's verdict with respect to count 2? Juror number 1. Okay. Juror number 16, were you able to keep the admonition and avoid any contact about the case? Juror 16. Yes. And would you be able to accept your colleague's verdict with respect to count 2? All right. If both of you would step outside, and we'll be right with you. You can go that way. Any motion with respect to juror number 1 or juror number 16?
The state would ask that juror number 1 be removed from any further consideration. He indicated he could not follow the verdict of the 12 other jurors.
Mr. Marantz.
I would object to his being excused.
The court, over timely objection, would excuse juror number 1 from service at this time and maintain juror 16 as an alternate if needed for the Blakely trial. To that end, Mr. Martinez, the state had properly noticed and you wish to proceed with the aggravating factor of emotional harm to the victim's family?
Yes, sir.
And you will require witnesses, but those witnesses can be prepared to testify at 1 o'clock today?
They are prepared.
Right. Mr. Marantz, what's your position on proceeding with the Blakely trial at this time?
I would prefer to start it tomorrow morning.
All right. Well, I take that as a motion to continue, then.
It is.
Are you unable to proceed today?
No, I'm not unable.
Right. The court would overrule the timely objection to proceed tomorrow. We have jurors here with witnesses here, so we'll proceed with the Blakely trial at 1 o'clock. I will see counsel. I have to excuse the jurors that I have upstairs until tomorrow, so I will see counsel in my court at 11 o'clock. We'll finalize the jury instructions for the Blakely trial, and so that they can be copied and ready to go. Mr. Martinez, you have a 7.2 motion at this time.
Yes, sir. Pursuant to the jury's verdict of guilt on aggravated assault, a Class 3 dangerous felony based on our conversations under Rule 7.2, which indicates that at that point the court shall take the defendant into custody. I'm asking that Richard Chrisman be taken into custody.
The jury's finding of guilt on count 2 included the fact that they found the use of a weapon, which makes it a dangerous, non-probation eligible offense. So for pursuant to Rule 7.2, it's ordered remanding Mr. Chrisman pending sentencing. So I'll see counsel at 11 o'clock, and we'll proceed with the Blakely trial with the jurors at 1 o'clock. We are adjourned.